Hello, friend. I wish all of you to have a good time with family and friends. Cooking can be one of the fun activities to be done with your loved one. Having said that, what's your snack for today? We're craving for the viral tornado potato. Some people call it spring potato or spiral potato. Any name will do, as long as it tastes good, isn't? This tornado potato is another popular street food in Malaysia and other countries too. You can find it in many night markets. Well, when there is no night market, you can always opt to cook it by yourselves. So, wait no more. Let's start. It is super easy to cook, with only main 3 ingredients. They are potatoes, all-purpose flour and breadcrumb. You can get the full recipe from the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more interesting and easy recipe like this. Thank you for your support. Enjoy watching, everyone.